What's going on, guys? We're gonna go ahead and talk about the TCL 6 Series Mini LED TV on Real Reviews No Cap. This TV has THX certification, VRR, variable refresh rate, and on top of that, they went ahead and put the 120 Hertz panel into this television. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn that button from gray to blue. It helps YouTube algorithms so they can go ahead and share with everybody else on YouTube. And make sure you guys check this TV out. This TV is a bang for its buck for $649, taxes $701 depending on where you live at.
Everybody get your hands up.
Alright, now for you people out there that like to hear that sound, and I know I like to hear it when you get something brand new right out the box, we're gonna go ahead and get it for y'all. Listen. Gotta love it. Alright, so what comes inside of the box is going to be a couple quick things I'm going to go ahead and go over. So we got your feet, that's right here. So go ahead and pop this joint open. These are the feet. And the cool part about it is, I'm going to get in there, y'all see that right there? See that? But then y'all see this. This right here has the wiring head. So you can just like literally pop that joint out. Look at that, boom. Pop all that out. So that's a good thing, dude. Inside of here, we got the usual books and shit. Nothing crazy. Look, usual books. What's that? Manual. What's this? Screws. What's this? Remote control. That's one thing about TCL TVs, man. This remote control is straight hot doo-doo, but I mean, I guess it get the job done. You feel what I'm saying? This TV is a good TV, but this remote, I don't know, TCL. Y'all gotta do something way better. And then we got this right here. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. Then you got your other foot. Now, the cool thing about this is that it has cable management built into it. So as you guys can see, cable management, running HDMI cord straight behind the TV, straight down to the black. Good to go. You gotta worry about it, you feel what I'm saying? So you got your 2 feet, you got your controller, you have your cord, of course. What else is in the box? This big, huge thing of styrofoam that protects the top of the TV, but that's pretty much it. So, let's go ahead and hop right into it. Yo, so I went ahead and got the TV all set up. Everything's all good to go. Right now, TV is crazy. I'm talking about black levels, the detail of the bird, the red beak, the greens, they pop out. I'm telling you, this TV is a bang for its buck at this point. And do not forget, this is the first video on YouTube of the TCL 6 Series Mini LED TV. Now, if you're watching the video, you enjoyed this content, and you new to Real Reviews No Cap, go ahead, smash the like button, turn it blue. That helps the algorithms on YouTube. That helps YouTube share it with the rest of the community, and it helps us to build our community. Go ahead and smash that like button for more great content like this. But this TV right here It is crazy. I mean crazy. The whites are crystal clear. The blues pop out. The detail of them trees with the blacks in the background, it is something like no other. The TV is really good. The black levels are almost on point with OLED. Inky blacks. Seriously, inky blacks. You think I'm lying to you? Go to your nearest Best Buy. Look at the TV. It's in demo mode. This is not in demo mode, but the ones in Best Buy are in demo mode. But unfortunately, they won't be there until September 18th. That's what my connections told me at Best Buy. Shout out to Nick. So, that's pretty much it for right now. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is that I'm gonna do some more work on this TV, and if you guys wanna go ahead and see a full in-depth version of this TV on YouTube, where I'm talking about eARC, ARC, Dolby Atmos, you know, back to the picture quality, how gameplay and everything run on this bad boy, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more great content like this. Till next time, thanks for watching Real Reviews No Cap. Make sure you wash your hands, you stay safe, and you're doing your social distancing, 6 feet, and we are all in this together. Till next time, I'll see you guys then. Peace.